In this video, we cover the second part of the option panel dashboard, the portfolio performance section. Unlike account overview, which reflects your account's real-time situation, including open positions, portfolio performance focuses exclusively on closed trades. It is therefore the section that best allows you to evaluate the historical performance of your strategies. Just like in the previous section, there is a filter at the top to select which portfolios you want to include in the analysis. The first metric is closed trades, which shows the total number of closed trades broken down into winners and losers, both in absolute numbers and as a percentage. It is a direct measure of your win rate. Next, the profit and loss panel breaks down the financial result of those trades, total P and L, the cumulative amount from winning trades, and the cumulative amount from losing trades, along with the average per trade for each. The third section is ratios. Here you will find a set of statistical metrics that go well beyond a simple profit and loss figure, and that are particularly valuable for evaluating option strategies in a rigorous way. Metrics such as the profit factor, which compares gross gains to gross losses, or mathematical expectation, which tells you how much you can expect to gain or lose on average per trade, give you a much more complete picture of your strategy's robustness than P and L alone. One important detail: for the ratios to be calculated correctly, you must select a single portfolio in the filter above. Mixing trades from different strategies would distort the results and make them statistically meaningless. Finally, at the bottom of the dashboard, you will find two bar charts: results by symbol, which shows the cumulative result of your closed trades grouped by underlying asset, and results by portfolio, which does the same but grouped by portfolio or strategy. Both charts let you identify at a glance which underlyings and which strategies are contributing most to your overall performance.